Hello students, we'll discuss about limiting reagent or is a limiting factor in this session. So when stoichiometric calculations are given to you, while solving stoichiometric calculations, limiting factor plays one very important role. What is limiting factor? The one which is lesser available, lesser given in quantity is called limiting reagent. Just have a look at this question. Find mass of magnesium oxide formed when 24 gram of magnesium reacts with 24 gram of oxygen and find the amount of reagent which is left. So in this question, magnesium oxide formed is asked. Okay, now when 24 gram of magnesium and 24 gram of oxygen is reacted, and if any one of them is left, then what is the amount he is asking. So what you need to do is first to write the skeleton equation. What actually happens here, you can check here. Magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. I mentioned here skeleton equation. After balancing this, you will be getting 2 mg plus O2 gives rise to 2 mgO, which we call stoichiometric equation. It's a balanced chemical equation. According to this balanced equation, 2 into 24 grams of magnesium reacts with 32 grams of oxygen. So 24 grams of magnesium requires how much of oxygen? Any one of the reactant you check once. Okay, so I'm just going with the magnesium and I wanted to calculate what is the amount of oxygen required. So the simple calculation shows 16 grams of oxygen is enough. 16 grams of oxygen is enough. Okay, but in the question given to you is 24 grams of oxygen is given, but 16 grams of oxygen is only enough. So we can say 8 grams of oxygen is excess given. So oxygen is not the limiting reagent, it is excess given. So the limiting reagent is magnesium. So you need to calculate, you need to solve the question based on the magnesium. Look at this. Here you can see 24 grams of magnesium required 16 grams of oxygen, but given is 24 grams of oxygen. So oxygen is excess and magnesium is known as limiting reagent. 2 mg plus O2 2 mgO. This means 2 into 24 grams of magnesium requires to gives you 2 into 40 grams of magnesium oxide. So 24 grams gives how much? A simple calculation will give you the 40 grams of magnesium oxide. So finally what you can conclude? Here 24 grams of magnesium is completely consumed. Out of 24 grams, 16 grams of oxygen is consumed. So 8 grams of oxygen is left. And finally you can say 40 grams of magnesium oxide is produced. Okay, so these kind of questions are very important. Just go with these kind of calculations. Here you are not using oxygen for calculation purpose, you are using only magnesium oxide. Okay, now magnesium to magnesium oxide, not oxygen, because oxygen is excess, magnesium is the limiting reagent. How you are deciding that one? Like this, both are given 24 grams, but actually 2 into 24 grams of magnesium requires 32 grams. So only 24 requires just 16, but 24 is given. Okay, just to go through with all these slides, I am showing you again what is limiting reagent. A question, how you are finding which is the limiting reagent. You are taking any one of them and just calculating the second one. You are giving the conclusion, what actually happened, what is the limiting reagent, and which you are going for calculation, which you are taking for calculation. That's it. 40 grams of magnesium oxide is formed.